subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Mibro Air. It's the latest cost-effective smartwatch designed and manufactured by Centric technology brand. What specifically caught our eyes was that the brand is a part of the forked Xiaomi ecosystem. With support from Xiaomi, the Mibro Air watch is launching this November at an affordable price range. Before the official debut, we luckily got one unit from the brand for review. So let's check out what's special about this Mibro Air watch. The Mibro Air smartwatch comes with a metal body that feels much more premium than what we have seen on watches in the same price range. The compact metal body with the 42mm dial is extraordinarily smooth to touch but won't get easily scratched. In addition, the metal body doesn't lead to an uncomfortable weight. Including the band, the slim watch only weighs 40 grams with a maximum thickness of 9.2mm, which is one of the most lightweight metal smartwatches that we've reviewed. The compact watch has IP68 certification and can be exposed to daily rain, sweat, and frequent hand washing or shower splashes. As for the display, the Mibro Air features a 1.28-inch round dial with TFT high resolution, 240 by 240 pixels, color screen with a screen-to-body ratio of 95%. There are several default watch faces for selection. You can long press the dial interface to switch between watch faces. In addition to default backgrounds, you are allowed to customize your own individual dial watch face with a selected picture as the background. All you need to do is to download their exclusive Mibro Fit app and upload the picture that you like to the watch. Another detail about the interface that is worth mentioning is the rotating dial menu. Compared to most flipping menus found on other brands' watches, the rotating menu is definitely a better design for round dials. All the options are displayed in perfect arrangement, and the rotating operation is also more intuitive than just flipping. Meanwhile, when you rotate the turntable, there's noticeable physical feedback from the inbuilt vibration motor. Features and Mibro Fit app as a smartwatch. Fitness-centric features such as sports tracking is very important. The Mibro Air boasts up to 12 common sports modes: outdoor, indoor running, walking, football, badminton, tennis, cycling, hiking, basketball, elliptical machine, yoga, and free training. In real-life experience, most selected activities could be recorded effectively, including steps, distance, and calories. In addition to these common sports data, another great feature on this affordable watch is heart rate sensing. It comes equipped with a heart rate sensor that helps measure the values in real time, alerting the user about any irregular exercise states. Unlike some smartwatches that are unable to accurately measure heart rate on users with dark skin, the company has claimed that they have developed a precise heart rate algorithm to fix the problem on the new watch. Besides the features of sport-related recordings, the Mibro Air can also monitor the user's sleep quality every night and provide an all-round report on the user's phone app. Thanks to the ultra-lightweight design, there is no discomfort when you wear it while sleeping. And you can also set up alarms in vibrate mode. All the features mentioned above can be configured in their exclusive Mibro Fit app. Once the user connects to the watch, all the real-time synchronization of health data can be clearly tracked on your phone at a glance. Or you can use the app to adjust the feature settings of the watch, such as lighting up when raising the wrist, turning on the sedentary reminder, and finding the watch through vibration. In addition, when you turn on the camera function on the app, you can shake the watch to control the shutter of the phone camera. It effectively frees both your hands, which is a smarter way to click pictures remotely than other watches, which requires you to use another finger to click a button on the watch. Battery life. The Mibro Air uses a new Bluetooth low power consuming chip, which offers a relatively long battery life. It comes with a 200 mAh battery but guarantees up to 10 days of continuous use on a single charge or 25 days standby. The support of Bluetooth 5.0 offers real-time synchronization and a convenient connection with the phone. During daily use, we can easily receive notifications on the watch from apps, including phone calls, messages, WhatsApp, Messenger, Skype, Gmail, and more. The Mibro Air is already up for pre-orders on its official store for a discounted price. In addition, to attract more early bird buyers, the brand is offering another free dark green strap and another $3 coupon code this November. If you are interested in a cost-effective smartwatch, you can visit their official page for more pricing and discount details. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.